Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect Wi-Fi with QR code in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to connect your Wi-Fi network using QR codes, let's see how you can do that. So here you have to open your settings app. In settings, just select Wi-Fi. Now in iPhone, you'll see that there's no any option to scan a QR code. So you just have to try to go back and open your camera app in your iPhone. Now here select photo. And you just have to try to scan QR code of your Wi-Fi using your camera apps in photo section. So here you can see there is option of join Wi-Fi network. Just tap on that and then tap on join again, and your Wi-Fi will be connected. So here you can see that my Wi-Fi is still now connected. Now if you're facing the issue that your iPhone's camera has not any option like that, so you can still face that issue. You just have to go back. And here, very first segment, you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue. Then select camera from here. Just scroll down and you'll get a setting of scan QR codes. You must have to enable this. And once I have enabled this toggle, your camera app will scan QR codes. Now you can easily scan Wi-Fi QR codes or any other kind of QR codes using your camera app. So in this way, you can easily connect Wi-Fi with your QR code in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.